Hello and 大家好, I'm Keenan.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm the student.
Welcome back. In the last lesson, we have learned the basic vowels, which is the finals. In this lesson, we will go into one step further. We are making 2 or 3 vowels and put them in together to create a combination of vowels, compound finals. So in this lesson, we will learn how to put them together, smoothly glide between the sounds, and how to pronounce them naturally. A combined vowels is when 2 or more vowels are put in together to create one syllable. And these are quite commonly used in Mandarin words. Some of the examples are how, combination of a and o ending, ao becomes how, or by, the vowels a and e they combine together become I, by. Or more example, liu, combination of e and u, iu, liu. Let's take a look at the first pair. I, combination of a and e, I. Some of the example, by, hi. Now your turn. By,
By,
hi.
hi.
So the I sounds like the I in English, the I. Next one, a, similar to hey, a. So some example, hey, bei. So Michelle, hey,
Hey,
bei.
bei.
Very good. Next set, ow, combination of a and o, ow. Some example, how, bao, your turn, how,
Hảo,
bao,
bao.
o, combination of o and u, o. Some of the example, đâu, shou. Your turn, đâu,
Đâu,
shou.
sổ.
Now we do 3 vowel sounds, but it is still considered one syllable. For example, e, a, o, yao. Don't rush. We have to pronounce every single vowel clearly. Yao. For example, xiao. Jiao. Michelle, xiao.
Xẻo,
Jiao.
jiao.
Another 3 vowel syllable, e, o, u, iu, but it's written as just e and u, iu. For example, liu, jiu. Michelle, liu,
Liu,
jiu.
jiu.
Next one, U, A, I, Y, Y. 快 Michelle?
快
Next one is U, A, way, but we just write it as U and E, but we do read as way. 水 对 and Michelle 水 对 Now, of course, there are some shortcuts. As I said just now, the E, O, U, we read it that way, EO, but we write it as IU, IU. Same goes to way, the UEI, way, but the pinyin is written as U and E, just U and I, way. And the most common mistake when we try to pronounce the final compounds is we do it separately. For example, the word bai is bai. Some learners tend to separate the sound. Bai, which is incorrect because they are pronounced as 2 syllables. But we want to do 1 syllable. Bai, or how. Instead of doing that, ha, or this is 2 sounds, which is incorrect. How is the correct one. You can hear the sound gliding smoothly. How. Now, Michelle, your turn to do the sound. Bai. How. Very nice. Smooth and clear, just 1 syllable. Now we'll try to compare some similar compound finals. Bai, bei. Bai, bei. Michelle, your turn.
Okay. 白 北
Nice and clear. How. Ho. How. Ho. Michelle.
好 ho 好 ho
Good. So one is ow, one is o. Got that? Now we will repeat one more time all the combined vowels we have learned. I, a, ow, o, yao, y, and way. There are 7 here. I'll repeat one more time so Michelle can repeat after me. First one, I,
I
a,
a
ow,
ow
o,
o
yao,
yao
yo,
u
y,
y
and way.
way
Yep, so these are the combined vowels we just learned. So most importantly, combined vowels are just smooth movements. We just glide around the sounds. Be sure not to break them apart and try to sound natural. Don't rush, slow, but smooth. And if you master this, your Mandarin pronunciation will be much more natural. And next lesson, the very next lesson, we will be learning the initial. We'll put the vowels we learned and combine with the initial. See you next lesson. Bye.
see you